In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ElevenLabs VPN problem quickly and safely. If you've been getting connection errors, access issues, or weird login problems while using ElevenLabs, there are usually two simple fixes that solve it for most people. First, I'll show you how to disable your VPN so ElevenLabs can connect through your normal local internet connection. Then, if the issue is still there, I'll show you how to clear your browser cache and cookies to remove old session data and start fresh. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is turn off your VPN completely. ElevenLabs can sometimes block or restrict traffic coming from VPN servers because those IP addresses are shared by many users and some of them may have been flagged for abuse. By disabling the VPN, you allow your device to connect through your local ISP, which gives you a more unique and trusted IP address. That alone often fixes the problem right away. How you turn off your VPN depends on the app or service you use, but in most cases, you can open the VPN application on your device and simply click Disconnect or Turn Off. If you're using a browser extension, make sure that is disabled too. If your VPN has Auto Connect enabled, turn that off as well so it doesn't reconnect in the background. Once the VPN is fully disabled, close your browser and open ElevenLabs again to test the connection. If ElevenLabs now works, then great. The VPN was the issue. But if you're still seeing the same error, the next step is to clear your browser data. Old cookies or cached files can keep broken session information stored in your browser, which can interfere with how ElevenLabs loads or logs you in. Clearing that data gives your browser a fresh start and often resolves stubborn website problems. To do that, open your browser settings. In Chrome, for example, click the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings. Then find Privacy and Security. From there, click Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you're clearing cached images and files as well as cookies and other site data. You can choose a time range like all time for the cleanest reset, especially if the problem has been happening for a while. Then click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Go back to ElevenLabs and sign in again if needed. Since the old session data has been removed, the site can load fresh information and reconnect properly. In many cases, this combination of turning off the VPN and clearing browser data is enough to fix the issue without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If you still run into problems after that, double check that your VPN is really off, not just paused. Also make sure no browser extension is rerouting your traffic. Sometimes ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions can cause similar issues. So if needed, try opening ElevenLabs in an Incognito window or a different browser to test it. But for most users, the fix is simple. Disconnect the VPN first, and if that doesn't solve it, clear your browser cache and cookies. That's the fastest way to get back into ElevenLabs without unnecessary hassle. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.